Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another video on Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's Monday and it's red hot and we're just going to have a look at a couple of new things here on Levante Beach. The first one being one of the signs for rules and safety on the beach. So let's go take a look.
Okay guys, so you can see that Sue's handed me the camera to show you the sign, just saying like, keep an eye on belongings, avoid physical exercise during central hours of the day, don't trust the fake cocktail cons, don't get fooled by the potato pecans, leave valuables in a safe at your hotel, and don't leave pets, old people or children in a boiling hot car, which is pretty obvious stuff really. And of course we've also got the painted bins, graffiti style done on them. Very cool.
So thanks for filming that bit for me, Marcus.
You're welcome, Sue.
We got the Barcello Benidorm Beach Hotel.
Barcello.
Barcello. You say
Batata.
I say potato. So it is red hot today. People that leave the belongings on the beach and then of course they come back. Oh, my money's gone, this is gone. You know, common sense. Why would you leave your stuff on your sunbed while you go in the sea? And if you're back in the UK, I'm sure you wouldn't leave your stuff on a park bench while you go and get yourself a sandwich from the supermarket. So, pretty busy going up into town.
I mean, you wouldn't do it at a hotel, would you?
No.
Like, you wouldn't go swimming and leave like your brand new Samsung and your Bluetooth headphones on your sunbed.
Well, you wouldn't, but I suppose some people would. So this is what I wanted to try and show you. The activity centre out at sea, floating out at sea. Great idea, maybe. Has anybody been on it yet? It's here every year. Did anybody go on it last year when they were here? So what do you think, guys? If you haven't been on it, would you go on it? I'm not sure on its prices. Should imagine you could find them online.
But €6 by each an hour, something like that. I don't know.
We have got a very high police presence today as well along the front. Don't seem to be many people out on it. Would you go on it, Marcus?
Nah.
Why?
So what?
Well, I should imagine you'd call off out on it, but the fact that you have to wear a life jacket on it, I think would put me off. So we're just going to go a little bit further down to the corner. Lots of slushy shops. Here we go, we've got the aqua park entrance here, so we're going to have a look at how much it is while we're here, just to give everybody an idea.
I'll go have a look.
Marcus will go and have a look for me. Well, there's a few going down.
Oh, yeah, I'm not landing.
Yeah, I'll take the camera. Don't take the camera.
Baby, I'm supposed to get the camera. Okay guys, let's go have a look. Not sure if that's coming up on camera. Single ticket €14. Children under 12 years accompanied by one adult for every 3 children. Single entry plus non-slip socks, €16. You can get a golden pass for €40, which gives you a ticket for the whole day and exit and entry whenever you want, so that you can go on it a bit, go for a quick drink, hop back on it. Great ticket for an hour, €12, or just to buy non-slip socks, that's a £5. That is what it's called, Aqua Park Benidorm, and that's it right there at sea. Absolute in massive inflatable obstacle course, bit like a Total Wipeout type course. Back to Madge. Right in our Madge.
Thank you very much, Marcus.
You're welcome,
So
Madge.
guys, let me know if you've been on it. What did you think? Please make sure that you hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.